Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am super excited to share with you one of my all-time favorite healthy breakfast recipes that keeps me feeling fresh and energized all day long. Hey everyone, so we're going to be making this toast and almond milk. Breakfast is very important and I do not take it lightly. So let's go make this hearty, delicious, quick and easy breakfast. Let's go. Let's dive into this. I started by whipping up a quick and delicious compote using some fresh strawberries and blueberries. Not only does it add a burst of flavor, but it's also packed with antioxidants and nutrients to kickstart your day. So, how do you make a compote? You basically bring in your fruits, water. Some people add sugars, honey, and spices. Today, I chose to just go with just the fruits. That will work for me. And while that is ready, next up, I whipped together a creamy cup of almond milk, fresh almond milk. Almond milk is not only dairy free and delicious, but it is also a great source of vitamins and minerals to keep you feeling your best. So if you're down and you're looking for something to kickstart your day, I will recommend almond milk. Remember, it is dairy free. So if you are someone who gets bloated easily, I'll recommend almond milk. If you are lactose intolerant, I will recommend almond milk. So, if you are lactose intolerant, that means you are unable to digest the sugars in milk. That's basically it. So, I added a few drops of vanilla flavor. You can add honey to this if you want to, but hey, I just wanted to have my almond milk in its pure state. I didn't even boil this. No, I didn't. Sometimes I do, but today I just chose to drink it as is. Now, on to the star of the show, the toast. I have a little trick for making the perfect crispy toast. I start by spreading a bit of butter on the pan. Sometimes I do on the bread and then popping it onto a slightly high heat pan before quickly reducing it to low. Does it make sense? Alright, so you start on high heat, then as you are bringing your bread in, make sure to make that low heat. While the toast is cooking, I slice up a ripe avocado. Avocado is a fantastic source of healthy fats and fiber, making it the perfect addition to any breakfast. Healthy fat. Do not forget that. I hear people say, oh, avocado is fattening, is healthy fat. All right, once the toast is nice and crispy, I layer on the compote, followed by the sliced avocado. And to top it all off, guess what I did next? Should we have a drum roll? Or I shall leave you guessing. Guess. Anyways, this is happening, guys. I quickly fry up a sunny side of egg to add some protein and extra flavor. So I started with my butter and I broke my egg right into it. To my eggs, I bring in a pinch of salt and black pepper. That is all that you need. Turn off the heat and immediately turn off the heat and your toast is ready. And there you have it. My go-to breakfast recipe that never ever fails to leave me feeling refreshed and ready to tackle the day ahead. Trust me, once you try it, you will be hooked. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more healthy and delicious recipes. Thank you for watching. That is all I have for you today. I guess I will see you in my next video. Look at this beauty.